wanasema that marriage is a scam. Sijui what's your take on that?
It depends with the kind of marriage that you are in.
Okay.
Because according to the current generations, some of us, we enter into marriage mistakenly. Maybe you date with a girl and then accidentally mambo inaenda mrama and then mnaanza familia. Yes. Unexpected. So marriage is not a scam, but it depends with the situation.
Okay. So marriage is not a scam, but it depends with the situation. And maybe just to ask, I'm sure you are dating.
Definitely.
Yes, Mr. President is dating. Kama uko hapo nje unaweza kuwa na matenda, unaanza kumuonea Shan. Now atoke kabisa. Now just to ask, on the first date, whom do you think should pay? The man.
Yeah.
Mbona the man?
Because according to me, or according to the society that I've been raised in, a man is everything.
A man is everything.
Yes. So personally, I will not. I don't want a lady to pay for my bills.
What if a lady pays?
There is no problem that much, but I will. I don't prefer that.
You don't prefer them kukulipia on the first date?
Avana.
Okay.
Ni mchezo bwana.
And just to ask, do you think there is a specific amount that you should spend on the first date?
No specific amount, depends with your pocket. Yes.
Therefore, umesema it depends on your pocket. Wewe, can you tell us, can you date a broke girl?
Broke girl, it depends with the standards. You know, unaweza kuwa broke but umeweka standards juu kama gia ya lori.
Okay. Standards ndio sielewi, hebu tuelezee vizuri standards.
Sasa for example you are broke but you've maybe put yourself in a situation where you feel like you are everything. So you should, if you are broke, you are broke. Yes, but for me a lady should not be broke, or I can date anyone as long as mambo imeenda vizuri.
Okay, you can date anyone as long as mambo imeenda vizuri. Therefore, who is your ideal woman?
That's my personal that's my personal story.
Ama what is it that you look in a lady kwenye unaona akiwa na hizi characters unaona zinatika kwako?
Characters?
Yes.
For me, for now I will not tell you that.
Mr. President anajaribu kuficha white lakini tutampata tu. So Mr. President, do you believe in love?
Yes.
You believe in love? Therefore, do you think it's right? Juu saizi ukiangalia mambo na Gen Z, kuna hii mambo ya wanasema ati mambo na gayism. What is your take on gayism?
That's bullshit, man. That's bullshit. That is something that should be if I were the president or if I were the president of this country, that thing should never happen. Yes.
Okay. Haya, tuingie kwa siasa kidogo. Hii mambo ya Sifuna. Unaonaje mambo ya Sifuna? Sifuna ni moto ya gazeti ama ni kitu serious?
For me, according to Sifuna political history, Sifuna is not qualified to contest for presidency.
Why?
One, Sifuna has only been elected once as a senator of Nairobi. Right. He contested for MP once and he unsuccessfully, but 2022 contested to be the senator and he won. Yes. So for now, Sifuna is not the best candidate to contest with Ruto.
So who do you think is the best? Ndani ya Linda Mwananchi, nani ndani yako best ku contest na William Ruto?
For me, I'm a two-term person. Mimi ni mtu wa two-term. Mimi ni mtu wa two-term. Ya pili, according to me, I think Kalonzo could be the best person to contest with Ruto.
Okay.
Yes. Kalonzo could be the best person because Kalonzo akona kura yake. Yenye ataleta kwa meza.
Pia Sifuna akona kura yake.
Gani?
Sifuna kuna western side of Kenya.
Western.
Western yote ni block.
Kalonzo is the only person mwenye utasema ataleta Wakamba wakiwa block. Ukisema Sifuna Sifuna akona kura yake kutoka Western, but kumbuka pia Wetangula amevai kukua senator for 20 years, hajawahi shindwa. What makes you say that Sifuna atachukua kura enye Wetangula amekuwa akichukua? Kuna Mudavadi pia atachukua kura yake. So Sifuna will not deliver 100% from Western Kenya.
Lakini tukiangalia kidogo Wetangula na the Western side kidogo Wetangula moto wake umeisha kabisa. Sijui kama umenote hivyo.
That is according to the propaganda that is currently in social media. But ukienda kwa ground vitu ni tofauti.
Okay. Unasema tukienda kwa ground vitu ni tofauti. Maybe just to support your two term. Tupatie maybe some of the reasons as to why una support two term.
Personally na support two term kwa sababu kitu ya kwanza hata tu support one term namna gani? Hakuna venye mtasema Ruto awache kazi yenye alianzisha. When Ruto leaves office currently, akitoka 2027, president mwenye ataingia atasimamisha project zote za Ruto. Country itakuwa imesimama ama itakuwa imesimama. Ni projects ngapi Ruto ameanzisha saizi zenye ata need kuziendeleza mpaka 2032?
Okay.
So we should give him time to finish his projects, aende tulete mwingine kwa sababu the constitution says a president should serve for 2 terms. Why?
The constitution says that?
Yes.
But to confirm
he should serve for 2 terms but he should be re-elected for the second term. Sindio? Lakini ndugu yangu, sasa ukitoa Ruto ulete mwingine, project zote za Ruto zitasimama.
Lakini na believe ukiangalia kama tukiangalia mambo ya Ruto saizi amekuwa the previous government of course na the former president Uhuru Kenyatta, sindio? I believe most of the projects wanafanya already they were there. Yeye tu amekuja ku actualize.
Hapana.
Ukiangalia kama affordable housing it was already there.
It was not there. It was not. They tried to they initiated it. But ilifika mahali wakaachana nayo. So Ruto amekuja kuanza project yenye haikuwa there. Yes, ilikuwa kwa manifesto yao but hawakuifanya.
Okay.
Yes.
Tukiangalia hiyo umenipatuma maybe that was just a reason. Maybe nikupatia another reason as to mimi na support one term. Number one, mambo na Shah. Do you believe Shah is working?
Yes, Shah is working personally. Shah imenisaidia sana. Sana. So Shah is 100% working. I cannot say 100% but 80%. Naitwa na Dean of Students. So wacha ni
sawa. Tunana kabisa.